China could help Pakistan increase the production of J-F-17 fighters, as the current manufacturing rate of some 20 aircraft per year is insufficient to both meet the needs of the Pakistan Air Force and potential exports. The success of the J-F-17 against India in May last year has increased potential buyer interest, with inquiries coming in from Iraq, Bangladesh, and Indonesia, a top Pakistan Air Force official said. So far it was like whatever Pakistan can make, the capacity was just enough for Pakistan. We had a long view for exports, but you don't build capacity for exports before there are orders, Pakistan's former Air Vice Marshal Faiz Amir was quoted by Bloomberg as saying on Tuesday. The J-F-17, which is being displayed at the current Singapore Air Show, has attracted interest from several air forces who see it as an F-16 with a 50% discount tag and no end-user conditions, unlike U.S. aircraft that come with several strings attached. If Pakistan does face capacity shortages, a likely solution could be Chinese assistance in expanding production. This could include increasing production speed or adding new assembly lines, measures that pose no major technical difficulties, China's semi-official Global Times newspaper reported, quoting its own expert. China could take on a more significant role in the manufacturing of major components, while Pakistan focuses on final assembly and delivery, the expert said. Currently, 58% of the aircraft production, as well as the final assembly, is carried out in Pakistan, which makes the airframe, while 42% is in China, which supplies the radar, engine, avionics and weapons.